How to optimize a gaming laptop in Windows. A gaming laptop has constraints a desktop doesn't: heat, power, and two graphics chips competing. Here's how to get the most from one. First, and most important, use it plugged in. On battery, almost every laptop caps both processor and graphics performance severely, and no setting overrides that. Second, check which graphics chip your game is actually using. Open Settings, System, Display, Graphics, add the game, and set it to high performance to force the dedicated card. This single step doubles frame rate on misconfigured machines. Third, use the manufacturer's own utility, which usually offers performance modes and fan curves that Windows can't reach, and set it to performance while gaming. Fourth, manage heat physically. Raise the back of the laptop, keep the vents clear, and clean out dust every few months. Fifth, cap your frame rate to reduce heat without much visible loss.